Hey chickies, thanks so much for hanging out today. We are going to be chatting and unboxing the September Boxycharm, the base, the premium, and also the Luxe box. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really does truly help out this video so much. It helps out my channel, and it also helps this video get pushed with the whole YouTube algorithm. Just a little disclosure, these 3 boxes were sent to me for reviewing purposes from Boxycharm, but you know, keep it real with you. I let you know my thoughts on it, you know, if I like it, if I don't like it. The base box is $25 a month, and inside you're guaranteed 5 full-size items. Let's check this out. I'm very excited to see what's in here. The postcard, and this month's theme, it says Boxycharm BTS C210938-BA. So that's the box number. First thing we have in here is from Glam Glow. Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating Treatment. Tried a couple of Glam Glow masks. Been a while, to be honest, since I've used one of these. Exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. This retails for $60. From the brand Georgette Klinger, and this is a Marula primer for all skin types. Blur imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish. Hydrating and long-wearing, it cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring silky smooth makeup application that won't settle into porous fine lines or dry areas. Ideal for all oil and silicone-based foundation formulas, and this retails for $32. I've never heard of this brand. Always looking into new primers. Check out the primer. Kind of looks like almost like a gel. Okay, next. Oh, nice. We have something from Huda. Okay, this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. Oh, I like the packaging. Hydrates lips in highly pigmented lacquer-like sheen with a velvety satin finish, and this retails for $20. I think the shade is gonna be my cup of tea. You just slide it. Packaging is very pretty. Let's check out the applicator. And wow. It's really pretty. You know, let me apply some of this over top my current lipstick. Oh, it's creamy, and it has like a minty flavor to it. You know, this one's gonna get thrown in my purse. Next up, we have this cute packaging, and it's from the brand Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Pump Your Base multi-use makeup sticks. Ooh, okay, these look really pretty. Perfect for the fall season. This one is called Jazz. Uh-oh, it almost fell out. There we go. Let's swatch this one. It looks like a really pretty coppery color. Like a matte nude. The formulas they're not super slippery, but these are going to be great bases. Cream base multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. And this retails for $20. You know what? Line the bottom waterline. Is this going to be a good idea? That worked really well. And I like the formula. Because normally sometimes these can be a little bit too creamy. Last in the box we have here, it's from INH, insert name here, and this is called the Quick Slick, and I already have one of these, but these are really great, especially for all the baby hairs, because I have a ton of baby hair. So essentially it looks like a mascara tube, and it has you know, you just use the wand to kind of like slick out all your baby hairs. Let me open it. Just want to make sure. Yes, it is the same thing. Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps, non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. I didn't realize it had a peach scent. You're right. You're right. It does have a little bit of a peach scent to it. And this retails for $22. This is something I like to keep in my purse. But alright, so good start with the base box. Open the next one. I think this is... Oh yes, here we go. This is the premium box. The premium box is $35 a month, and inside you're guaranteed 6 full-size items. Same theme for the month. It's BTS. And the box number I have is C2109233PM. First thing from Laura Mercier, and this is the Soothing Eye Makeup Remover. I don't think I've ever, no, actually I've never tried this. Looks like it's like an oil-based makeup remover. Gentle eye makeup remover that effectively removes eye makeup, and this retails for $27. Laura Mercier is such an amazing brand. They're definitely on the higher spectrum, but they have some really great products from the brand Verb, and this is their Ghost Oil. Revitalizes strands from root to ends, powered by moringa oil. This blend works to hydrate and fight frizz, and this retails for $18. Always on the lookout for hair products, and I love hair oils in general, so I'll have to get back to you on this one as well. It doesn't have a fragrance to it. Next in our box we have a palette, and this looks kind of like a honeycomb. Milk and Honey. Oh, Beauty Bakery. I do not own anything from Beauty Bakery, so I'm very excited that this is in the box. It's the Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, I like the packaging. Very cute. And let us see. Oh, these are pretty. Those are really pretty shades. So creamy, you don't need butter. Silky smooth Milk and Honey highlighters. Grab your bakeware, strobe and mix or layer in abundance. And this retails for $38. So I really want to swatch these shades because they look gorgeous. Here are swatches of the shades in the palette. Wow, these look beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this because I'm definitely all about that highlight. I love me some highlighters, regardless if it's a very subtle one or if it's a beaming one. Complex Culture. And what exactly is this? Oh wow, this looks so luxe. Pink and like a rose gold color. Sonic powered tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temporarily smooth and sculpt skin. And this retails for $58. So how do you turn this on? Let me see. Yes, you do. You got to put a battery in here. That's interesting. I love tools like this for the skin. From the brand Herbivore, this is the Blue Tansy Resurfacing Clarity Mask. Truly natural mask that gently clarifies skin with BHAs from white wallow bark, fruit enzymes, along with aloe and blue tansy essential oil to soothe the appearance of redness and irritation. And this retails for $48. Oh, you know what? I think this is a good one to save. Ooh, you can definitely smell the aloe. This is a good one to save, especially when the weather starts to change, because skin like freaks out because of the weather change. So I think this is a good one to try out at that time. Lastly, we have from Fenty Beauty. I'm very excited for this. It's the Snap Shadows Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I'm so excited because I've never tried any of her shadows. 7 Cadet. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous palette. Really light swatches, but these look beautiful. I cannot wait to try out these shadows. Wow, so far the 2 boxes have blown me away. The last box we're gonna open is the Luxe box, and this one is every 3 months. It's $50, and inside you're guaranteed 8 full-size items. It says Boxycharm Fall in Love, so everything is gonna be fall themed. The brand is called Altry, and it's a shampoo and conditioner duo, which also contains CBD. Altry Best Buds Shampoo Plus Conditioner Duo. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients like jojoba, avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types. Tame frizz, protect your hair color, and add lustrous shine. And this retails for $66. Wow, this is quite pricey for the duo. Smell the conditioner. Ooh, that does smell good. It smells like bubblegum. From the NewCo, they're called Defense Drops. Your first line of defense against getting sick. This immune-boosting liquid extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Use this as the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune responses. And this retails for $35. This is really interesting. Kind of reminds me of like, I guess, Emergency, but this is in a dropper form from Rare Beauty. Oh my gosh, I was like, wait a second, who is this from? Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel in a Rich Taupe. I've never tried anything from Rare Beauty. Don't really use a pencil for my brows. So this will be interesting. I think the gel should be good for my brows. It has a really tiny little spoolie, and then the other side, oh, you have the brow pencil, a triangle shape to it. Most likely I would use, oh wow, this shade is really nice. If I had to draw in my brows with a pencil, this is probably a shade I would use. That's actually like a good match. I'm gonna have to try the brow gel because I do have some brow hairs that, you know, kind of go all over the place. Triangular shaped retractable brow pencil with a complementary tinted brow gel to create naturally defined brows. This retails for $22. Very happy it was in my box. From the brand The Lifestyle Co. And this is their bamboo body polish. Sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for your self-care needs. Bamboo stem extract is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. Jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acids and is quickly absorbed into the skin. This retails for $49. I'm always curious about products where it exfoliates the skin, and it smells pretty good. Next up, we have from Saturday Skin. All right, this is called the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Oh, I love the packaging. It's iridescent. A soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. And this retails for $57. This is so luxurious. I cannot wait to try this. I've had really good experiences with Saturday Skin. It's called Dew of the Gods. Rose Haya Activated Lip Scrub. That's really unique. Okay, let's take a look. I like the packaging. Ooh, looks like little tiny sugar crystals, right? It's activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. Made from sugar, strawberry seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea extract. And this retails for $16. This is definitely going to be a nice, much needed treat for my lips. Some lashes, you know, I love me some lashes. They are from MAC. Dial up the volume with full feathered lashes. This retails for $18. I don't think I've ever tried MAC lashes, maybe once or twice, but it's been a long time, so you know I'm going to be trying these out, and these are definitely my style. Lastly in the box is from Cab Cosmetics. It's volume 1. It's a contour palette. Okay, let me just tell you right now, I am all about that contour. Let's see. Wow, this looks beautiful. I can already see myself using especially this banana powder right here. Check out Caramel, which, let's see. I hope it's not too warm. No, I think it'll be a good good contour. This matte contour palette contains Be Silky powders that blend effortlessly into the skin for the perfect contour every time. Use the darkest shade for a chiseled, striking contour and the lighter shades under the eyes and other high points of the face for an instant lifting effect. And this retails for $60. So let me just say, you know, I'm going to be using this palette. I love contour. I've been really enjoying like yellow powders, like banana powders. You're going to ask me which box do I like the most? Which one would I recommend? I think if you're looking more at the price point, definitely I would say the $25 box, which contains 5 full-size items, because you can never go wrong with this one. But I gotta say, the premium box for $35, if you have that extra coin to spend, this box really impressed me. And then, you know, if you want to splurge a little bit every couple of months, this was probably the first Luxe box that I was really wowed by, because I have gotten other Luxe boxes in the past and I thought they were, you know, they were okay but not the best. But this one, quite honestly, was just filled with items that I know I'm going to use. Let me know your thoughts. Which box did you guys like the most? The base box, the premium, or the Luxe box? If you have received your Boxycharm or are receiving Boxycharm, let me know, what did you guys get? Did we receive the same items? Did we receive different things? I would love to get your feedback. Also, if you're interested in checking out Boxycharm, leave a link for them down below in the description box. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out today, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like. It would really mean so much to me. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.